Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Park the Camry on level ground, set the parking brake, and chock the front wheels. Work with the engine off and the key removed. Gather tools: a hydraulic jack, 2 quality jack stands, a breaker bar, 14 mm, 17 mm, and 19 mm sockets, ratchet, penetrating oil, pry bar, and a torque wrench. Use complete rear strut assemblies rather than disassembling springs so you avoid a spring compressor. Wear safety glasses and gloves, and have a trash pan and rags ready to catch fluid or debris while you work. Loosen the rear wheel lug nuts while the car is on the ground, then raise the rear with the jack until the wheel clears the ground by about 3 inches, and securely place jack stands under the rear subframe. Remove the wheel and access the strut. Spray penetrating oil on mounting bolts. Disconnect the sway bar link and any brake line or ABS wire clips from the strut. Then remove the 2 lower strut-to-knuckle bolts with appropriate sockets, typically 17 mm and 19 mm. From inside the trunk or wheel well, remove the 3 upper strut nuts, support the assembly, and carefully pull the old strut down and out. Position the replacement rear strut assembly into the upper mount and seat it fully, then hand-tighten the 3 upper nuts to hold the strut in place. Align the bottom of the strut to the knuckle, install the lower bolts, and torque the lower and upper fasteners to factory specifications with a torque wrench. Reattach the sway bar link and any brake or ABS clips. Reinstall the wheel, lower the car, and torque the lug nuts in a star pattern to the specified wheel torque. After installation, drive 5 to 10 miles to settle components, and then have...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.